A fragrance fills the space, not from the earth, but from a mercy sent by Allah. Light appears, not blinding, not harsh, comforting. And then a window is opened, not imagined, not symbolic. A window, revealing a sight the soul recognizes instantly. Gardens that stretch beyond sight, rivers that do not resemble water, homes prepared with care, paradise. The soul is shown what awaits, not to torment, but to reassure. This is your place, the unseen voice declares. This is what you were patient for. This is what you chose every time you resisted sin. The grave widens as far as the eye can see. It becomes a resting place, not a prison. A pause filled with hope. But the other soul, its grave, reacts differently. The moment the questioning ends, the earth tightens. Not slowly, not gently. It presses from every side. The walls close in until space disappears. The ribs interlock. The soul feels a pressure no living body ever experienced. Heat replaces calm. Darkness thickens. The grave does not welcome. It confines. Then another opening appears. But this one does not bring relief. A window is torn open toward a place of flame. Roaring, violent, endless. The soul sees fire rising, chains waiting, faces twisted in agony, and it understands. This is what you chose, comes the declaration. This is what you delayed escaping. This is what you ignored when mercy called. The grave becomes a pit, not because Allah is unjust, but because the soul arrived empty. No prayer to protect it, no repentance to soften it, no remembrance to illuminate it, only regret. This vision is not the punishment itself. It is a preview, a reminder of what is coming. And the soul screams not for release, but for delay. Do not let the hour begin, because now it knows. What it is experiencing is only the beginning. This chapter strips away the lie the world told you, that everyone ends the same, that death equalizes all. It does not. Equality ends at the grave's edge. What follows depends entirely on how you lived. When choices were still available, two graves, same earth, same night. One becomes a garden, waiting with hope. The other becomes a pit, waiting with terror. And the soul understands with terrifying clarity. The difference was never the grave. It was the life before it. Time dissolves, not slowly, but completely. There is no sunrise here, no sunset to mark passing hours, no ticking sound to remind you that moments are slipping away. This is Barzakh, not the world you knew, not the resurrection you were promised. A realm in between,